This is our first question, where we are looking at sample exam questions, which comes under variation. We have 2020 paper 1 GCE question number 16. The question is, it is given that y varies inversely as the square of x. The table below shows some values of x and the corresponding values of y. So when y varies inversely, we have this x to the power negative. So this will be y is equal to k over x. Now they are saying as a square of x, so it will be square like this. This is what we are going to have under this question, which is question number 16. So now, let us now find the value of k. So question number 1, we are going to say where there is y, we have been given this table. So the table we are going to use this and this. These are the values you have been given. They'll help us to find the value of k, because the x is 2 and the y is 9. So I'll put 9 where there's y. Then I will say is equal to k over the x. I'll write a 2 squared. So this one we are going to have 9 is equal to k over 4. Because 2 squared, the answer is 4. So now we are going now to cross multiply. 4 times 9, the answer will be 36. So 36 is equal to k. Or rather, the value of k is 36. The value of k is 36. Let us now find the value of question number B. Question number B is we find the value of a. Now look at a. Where is a? A is the value of y. So we write our equation, which is k over x squared. Where there's y, that's where we'll put our a. So we're going to say a is equal to, what is our k? Our k is 36 over x. What is the value of x? The value of x there, if you go against, remember this one is the same as 6, a, where this one is for x, this one is for y. So we are going to have the value of a, it will be over 6. Actually 6 is squared. We'll put our 6 is squared, so it will be a is equal to 36 over 36, and the value of a will be 1. 1 is the value of a. So having done that one, we can now go to the next question, which is all about finding the value of b. So as usual, where is our b? Our b is that side here on the second coordinate, which is b, comma 4. Okay, b, 4. This one is the value of x. This one is the value of y. Remember the coordinates. So we are going to say y, because it is y, is equal to k over x squared. What is the value of y? The value of y in this case, it is 4. The k is the constant number, which is 36. Then the x, we are going to replace it with b, because this is what we are finding. So we are going to have 4 is equal to 36 over b squared. So to find the value of b, we are going now to cross multiply. We are going to cross multiply so that we find the value of of b. So we are going to have 4b squared is equal to 36. So divided by 4 and this side by 4. So our final answer now to be b squared. B squared is equal to 4 into 36. It goes 9. So we are going to square root that side and also this other side. So therefore, b is equal to positive or minus 3. Okay, the value of b is positive or minus 3. And according to the exam paper, they have written on question number C, it is written that b is equal to dash or dash. Then you have your 2 marks there. So this means that there you can put your 3 and the other side you put negative 3 as your answer. So that is what we have under this. Let us look at another exam question. This is another exam question which is coming from 2021, paper 1, question number 18. It is given that y varies directly as 2x and inversely as z squared. So this means that y varies directly as 2x, then again inversely as, I would say, as z, like this, to the power negative 2. That is the inverse. So this is the normal equation will be y is equal to k2x over z squared. That is the normal equation. Question number 1. We find the value of k, the constant. What is the value of y? We are going to put a 4 where there is y. The k will remain the same, multiplied by 2. What is the x? It will be 8, like that. Then we have z is 2, so it will be 2 squared. So we are going to have, I'll bring it there, it will be 4 is equal to 16k, because 2 times 8, the answer is 16 over 4. So we have 4 is equal to 4 into 16, because 4 can go into 16. The answer will be 4. So it will be 4k over 4, even that other side by 4, or divided by 4. So the value of k is equal to 1. 1 is the constant of variation. What is our next question? Question number B. We find the value of y when x is equal to 27. So we are going to have y is equal to k2x over z squared. So we are finding the value of y. K, we know it is 1, so it will be 1 multiplied by 2, multiplied by the value of x is 27, then multiplied by, actually that's what we have. Then we have over everything, we have the z is 3, so it will be 3 squared. So y is equal to, this is the same as 2 times 27 over 9. Now, this one has got a common factor. 9 and 27 has got a common factor. And the common factor is 3. 3 into 9, it goes 3. Okay, 3 into 27, it goes 9 times. So this means that our final answer now will be, okay, now not only it must be 9 itself. Okay, we continue. 3 into 3, 1, 3 into 9, it goes 3. So the best way was just to use 9 as a common factor. 9 into 9, 1. This is the 1. 9 into 27, it goes 3. So that we don't waste our time. So 2 times 3 now, it will be 6. So 6 is the value of x. Let us go to the next question where we are finding the value of z. So I will have this part so that we find the value of z. So coming to the value of z, we are going to say question number C. Y is equal to k2x over z squared. What is our y? Our y, we have been told that the y is 3. So we're going to put 3 is equal to the k is 1 times 2 times the x is 24 over z squared. So everything here, it will be 3 is equal to 48 over z squared. When we reach here now, we're going to cross multiply and say 3z squared is equal to 48. So I'll bring it here. It will be 3z squared. It will be 3z squared is equal to 48. It is equal to 48. So over 3 and this other side by 3. So z squared is equal to not 84 but 48. You bear with me. 48 instead of 84. Now 3 into 4, it goes 1. Remainder 1. 3 into 18, it goes 6. So we're going to have z squared is equal to 16. We divide by z and this other side by z. So the value of z will be plus or minus the square root of 16. The answer is 4. Remember your answer, I mean only the answer space where you put your answer, it will be z is equal to dash or dash. So there you put 4, you put negative 4. Or you put negative 4, you put positive 4. So this marks the end to our second sample exam question. And this is the end to our topic. Thank you so much. We are going to have our next videos under the topic known as the circle theorem. Our next topic, it will be based on the circle theorem. Thank you so much.